Prepare a low budget okra with me. Why I called it a low budget was because everything I spent on this soup is not up to 2k. Now I'm starting with my leftover stew. You can prepare your okra stew afresh if you don't have any leftover. Just start by heating your pot, pouring your palm oil, then your pepper. That's just about it. Moving on, I'm using little pepper flakes. I choose to use Uziza leaf because I love its aroma in soup. Then I have my protein, which are smoked fish, stockfish, and Ponmo. I'm a fish girl. You can use any protein of your choice. We have crayfish. I don't know why some people call it crayfish. I have my seasoning, then the oga pata of them all, Okro. Okro has been doing wonders in my life lately, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's go there. I started by blending my okra. If you haven't tried this method before, you should give it a try. For me, I don't totally like when I have to chew my okra. I just want to put it in my mouth and swallow it down. You should have something like this after blending. This is the time you light your stove and put your pot on fire. Begin by preparing your stew with oil and pepper. I'm using my leftover stew, so I'm just going to put that in and add a little water. Then I added my pepper flakes and cover for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we are ready to put in our protein. Stir and add your seasoning. Cover and let it cook. If you want your okra thick, then you should allow the stew to dry before pouring your okra. Mix well. I later added little water because I realized that mine was too thick. Add the Uziza leaf and let it steam for 1 minute, and tada! Here you have it. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice. I add mine with oat fufu. Watch out for the next video where I'll teach you how I made this oat fufu. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned one or two. You can share your view in the comment section, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. I'll see you all soon. Thank you.